When two iPhones need to transfer a lot of photos, what methods do you use? Here are some suggestions. Method 1. AirDrop. Open AirDrop. Open the Photos app. Select the photos you want to transfer, and click the Share icon at the bottom left corner. Select AirDrop, and then select the avatar of the receiver's iPhone. On the receiver's iPhone, confirm the request and the transfer will be completed. Method 2. Shared albums. What if the receiver's iPhone is not within the range of AirDrop? You can use iCloud to shared albums. Click the Albums tab on the bottom left corner, and then click the plus sign on the top right corner to create a new shared album. Name the shared album and click Next. Select the contacts you want to invite, or enter their email addresses or iMessage phone numbers, then tap Create. On the sender's iPhone, add the photos you want to share to the shared album. On the receiver's iPhone, open the Photos app, agree to the invitation, and go to the shared album to view and synchronize the photos. Both methods allow you to quickly and easily transfer photos in batches without having to send them one by one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next installment.